beneath the blood moon, all filled with wine. You say you love me for the very first time.
This is the coolest anchorage we've been to in a while. I really like it. I mean, this reminds me of the North Channel in Canada, which we haven't been to since, I don't know. We were in the North Channel in 2005. It's 2017, so over 10 years. But yeah, we're just anchored in this cool little pretty cove with these big rocks around us. It's really neat. Take a look.
We need more than hopes and wishes for us to make it through.
Let's go explore this cave.
Stormy weather. Where we are.
Charlie, you look adorable.
Hope to make it
Push that way hard. Push that way. Good job.
I'm not sure this is a cave.
It might just be a little crevice, you know. It's a good beginner cave.
All right, it's not exactly a cave, but Hobie says we're going in.
Is it dark?
It's not a cave. It doesn't go in very far at all. That's okay. These rocks look like they're not covered in poop, which makes me extremely happy because all the rocks I've seen so far have been extremely covered in like huge massive amount of bird poop. So this is a plus. Ooh, and I can see the bottom.
My baby's a sailboat captain at sea. We don't give a damn, we do as we please. My baby's a sailboat captain at sea. My gal is a good one, tells me she's mine. Wish I'd better looking, baby, don't mind. My gal is a good one, tells me she's mine. All I ever wanted was to make you happy, give you the truth. Anything to make you love me, any more than you do. My baby's a sailboat captain at sea. We don't give a damn.
Hey, by the way, guys, we're in Tennessee.
My baby's a sailboat captain at sea. My gal is a good one, tells me she's mine. Wish I'd been looking, baby, don't mind. My gal is a good one, tells me she's mine.
I like rocks. I like
my rock.
and
You like my rock?
and fossils.
I don't have any fossils.
And I like discovering free souvenirs. And there was hardly any trash. There was really only a few pieces of trash that I really wish I had a garbage bag to pick up and take back to the boat. I gotta start remembering that. Adventure over. We're back to the boat. I'm turning off the GoPro.
Okay.